Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here, though as you can see it is grayed out because I do have airplane mode on. So once I turn it off, I can now actually access it. So anyway, once you find this toggle, you want to hold it the first time around because it will take you to the settings. And here, select set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and as you can see, probably the most important thing would be your password. And obviously you can see that this password is some randomly generated trash, so I recommend removing it and setting your own. Now the new password does need to have at least 8 characters in length. In this absolutely garbage theme, you can barely see that it tells you at least 8 characters. So there we go. From there you can tap on OK to save it. Now you obviously seen that there was a couple additional settings. We have the network name, which is the name of the phone itself. We have security, which I don't recommend changing, and hide the network, which I also don't recommend changing. So there we go. Now once you went to the settings and customize them, which is basically just the password, tap on the checkbox right here to toggle it on, and as you will see, your hotspot edit is right now enabled. So you can connect to your network and utilize it. And once you're done with it, I do urge you to try to remember to turn off your hotspot, because it does consume more battery on your device, and if you're not using it, there is no point in it running in the background. And to turn it off, all you have to do is just tap on a toggle once again. It will turn it off, and there we go. That's it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.